Let me ask you a serious question. If I can already write content, design graphics, build websites, and automate tasks, why aren't more people using it to make money every single day? Today, I'm going to show you how $100 a day with AI is not only realistic, but repeatable, even if you're not a tech genius. I'll walk you through the tools, the logic behind them, and how real people are using them to get paid. Let's start with the mindset shift that changes everything. Most people try to make money with AI. The smart move is to use AI to solve problems that already cost businesses time and money. Method number one, AI content services, ChatGPT plus Canva. Businesses constantly need content, blogs, social posts, emails, but most owners hate writing. That's where AI becomes your unfair advantage. Using ChatGPT, you can generate high quality blog posts, captions, newsletters, or product descriptions in minutes instead of hours. Pair that with Canva, and suddenly you're delivering polished, branded content that looks like it came from an agency. Here's a real example. A local fitness coach needs 12 Instagram posts per month but doesn't have time to write them. You use ChatGPT to generate captions tailored to their audience, Canva to design clean visuals, and you charge $150 per month. That's one client. Two clients, $300. More clients, you're well past $100 per day. Why this works is simple. AI doesn't replace you. You're the translator between AI and real business needs. Method number two, AI powered freelancing, ChatGPT plus Notion or Google Docs. Let's say you offer services like resume writing, LinkedIn optimization, email copy, or customer support scripts. With AI, you're no longer starting from a blank page. You prompt ChatGPT with context, industry, goals, tone, and refine the output. You become the editor, strategist, and quality filter. What used to take 2 to 3 hours now takes 20 minutes. That means you can charge $25 to $50 per task, complete multiple tasks per day, and scale your income without burning out. This is especially powerful for students, career switchers, freelancers, anyone with decent communication skills. You don't need AI expertise. You need problem awareness and good prompts. Method number three, AI automation for small businesses, Zapier plus AI tools. Now, this is where things get interesting. Small businesses lose money through inefficiency, missed leads, slow replies, messy workflows. Using tools like Zapier combined with AI, you can automate things like auto replying to inquiries, sorting leads, generating summaries or reports. You set it up once and charge a setup fee or monthly maintenance. One automation project can easily bring in $200 to $500, and most clients don't even know this is possible yet. Why AI makes this possible now? AI removes three major barriers: time, technical skill, scale. You're no longer paid for effort, you're paid for outcomes. And here's the key insight most people miss: you don't need to invent anything. Just package AI into a service people already understand. Who should be doing this if you're tired of trading hours for money, curious about AI but overwhelmed, looking for a side hustle that can grow? This is for you. AI rewards people who take action early, not people who wait until they feel ready. Final thoughts and future potential. We're still early. Businesses are confused, overwhelmed, and behind. That gap between what AI can do and what people know how to do is where opportunity lives. Learn the tools, practice the workflows, talk to real people. That's how $100 per day becomes $1,000 per week. If this video gave you clarity, hit that like button. It helps more than you think. Subscribe if you want real, practical AI strategies every week. And comment below, which AI tool do you want me to break down next? Your future with AI doesn't start someday. It starts today.